Welcome back to the channel, subscribers. If you're new here and this is your first time viewing, please consider subscribing. Hello, my beautiful souls. Today we're diving into the top 5 fastest growing fall vegetables in Zone 7. One of the top 5 is radish. Tell me, do you like radish? It's a very fast growing crop. Honestly, I haven't met a radish that I like, but if you do, hey, go for it. Some say they like it because it adds color and flavor to their dishes. Do you know what else is fast growing in Zone 7? Spinach. Spinach is great for a farm or for garden. Do you like spinach? I love spinach. If you do, did you know in just 4 to 6 weeks you could be harvesting fresh baby leaves? Lettuce is another fast growing crop in Zone 7, and there are lots of varieties. Do you like lettuce? Look at those different shades of green. You can't tell me they don't look delicious. You could have leaf lettuce or romaine to your table in 4 to 6 weeks. You can mix and match to your preference. Kale. Kale is another fast growing fall vegetable in Zone 7. Do you like kale? Kale is resilient in the garden and very nutritious. You can also enjoy kale in 4 to 6 weeks. Swiss chard, yes, another fast growing fall vegetable in Zone 7. It's delicious. This is the last of the 5, y'all. Yeah, that Swiss chard stands tall and strong in your garden. But this one will take 6 to 8 weeks. Y'all know I love y'all, so keep growing or keep trying. And thanks again for watching.